Validate entities is support software for a specific operational decision. Checks the accuracy and relevance of extracted entities against business rules and context. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that support teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Validate entities narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Validate entities starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include extracted entity, entity type, extraction confidence, context keywords, and valid entities list. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies score the entity based on whether it matches the expected format and is present in the valid entities list for its type. Score the entity based on contextual relevance by comparing it with the provided keywords from the ticket context. Calculate the weighted contribution of format score to the overall adjusted score, applying a weight of 0.44. Calculate the weighted contribution of context score to the overall adjusted score, applying a weight of 0.43, and calculate the weighted contribution of extraction confidence to the overall adjusted score, applying a weight of 0.43, and calculate the weighted contribution of extraction confidence to the overall adjusted score, applying a weight of 0.43, and calculate the weighted contribution of extraction confidence to the overall adjusted score, applying a weight of 0.43, and calculate the weighted contribution of extraction confidence to the overall adjusted score. 2. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how support teams actually make decisions. Validate entities returns structured outputs such as format validity score, context relevance score, overall validation score, validation decision, and adjusted score with decision zones. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of validate entities is not just automation, it is a controlled way to turn repeated support work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.